your girlfriend. It's time you had the talk. Give your reasons. Say it's not her fault, but you just met somebody new. Tell her not to get upset, second guessing everything you said and done. And then when she gets upset, tell her how you never meant to hurt no one. Then you tell her that the only way her heart will mend is when she learns to love again. And it won't make sense right now, but you're still a friend. And then you let her down easy. Call your girlfriend. It's time you had that talk. Give your reasons. Say it's not her fault, but you just met somebody new. And now it's gonna be me and you. Ooh, yeah. You just tell her that the only way her heart will mend is when she learns to love again. And it won't make sense right now, but you're still a friend. And then you let